Welcome to this segment of 2-minute tips on acrylic painting techniques. Today we're going to be talking about water and how much water do you use in your paint. All right, we're going to start the timer going. Basically, you just want to dip your brush in the water. You don't want to soak it, just dip it in really quick and make sure that you stir it into your paint right away. You don't want to ever go directly from your water cup with the brush right onto the canvas because it is going to drip all over, which isn't a big deal if it's the beginning stage of the canvas and there's nothing where the drips are. But if you just finished an awesome painting and you drip all over it and the paint's not completely dry, it's going to ruin it and you're going to be frustrated. So just avoid that. Always take your brush from your water immediately to your paint. Stir it up and then start your painting. If you put too much water, you're going to get a watercolor effect, and you're using acrylic, so that's not really the look we're going for here. So just make sure that you don't add too much water, and the more you paint, the more you'll start to get used to it. So speaking of water cups. I always suggest using 2 cups, one for your dirty water, one for your clean water. And what this provides is if you clean off your brush really well in the dirty water, tap off the extra water, and then give it a last minute swish in the clean water, it'll keep your brushes nice and clean and ready to go, and it'll also help make your brushes last longer as well. And it saves you a trip from going back and forth and cleaning your dirty water. Another thing, if you are using glass jars for your water, if you're using plastic cups, this doesn't matter. Make sure you rinse them out after you're done painting, and this will keep them nice and fresh and clean. If you don't clean them out and you let them sit there for hours or days, they're gonna get a little film, a little ring of paint around the water line of where the water was sitting. And then the next time you fill up your cup, it's going to have little flakes of paint floating around in the water. It's gonna get picked up on your brush, and then when you go to paint on the canvas, it's gonna get on your canvas. So you wanna avoid that. Just if they do get to that point and you forgot to wash them out, you can just take a sponge. Acrylic paint washes off glass so easily, it just slips right off as long as you get it really wet. Swish a sponge around in there, clean them right out, and easy peasy. And that is about it. We've got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that was helpful. Please consider subscribing and click that little bell to get notifications when I upload new videos. I have a lot more 2-minute tips coming up, so I hope to see you next time. Bye. Poet, really? Oh, that's nasty. Really? You have to do that right now? Don't do it there. No, no. Oh, Poet just barfed. Oh God, you just did it again. Ugh. Now he's eating it. Well, at least he's cleaning up his mess.